This is Professor Derek Seitz. This video shows how to calculate x values that correspond to area to the right probabilities for a chi-square distribution using Microsoft Excel. The two input cells, the probability, which is the area to the right on the right tail, in this case 1%, as hundreds there, the degrees of freedom, and the output, what's calculated for you, is the x value, also known as the critical value that corresponds to that area to the right of it. It uses the chi-square inverse right tail or right function in Microsoft Excel, taking these two parameters as input.